Microsoft OneNote is a note-taking application that can help you capture, annotate, and organize your class notes. However, you may also face problems with it, such as these common service not available errors. To know more how you can troubleshoot these errors, keep watching on this video. Now, if you're seeing this error code in your screen, this means that OneNote can't use the web client service on your computer to access your notebook. And in order to fix this, press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard. This will open up the Run dialog box and type in services.msc and then press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to the Web Client Service in the name column, and this should be set to automatic or manual. Now, if it is not set to that setting, click on the drop-down menu to change. Then, click OK and restart your computer after changing this setting. Now, if you're having this error on your screen, this means that OneNote is having trouble communicating with the web server where your notebook is stored. And most likely, there's been a server timeout, which occurs when the server is busy and can't respond to your requests. Now, to fix this, try syncing your notes again in a few minutes in OneDrive. But if you suspect a service outage, you can check OneDrive status by opening your browser and then open this website. Meanwhile, if you're seeing this error code on your screen, this means that OneNote can sync one or more notebooks because the server where notebooks are stored is temporarily busy or unavailable. This can happen because of the routine server maintenance on OneDrive or SharePoint. And in order to fix this, check the Microsoft 365 service status page for any OneDrive maintenance or outage information. You can do that by opening up your browser and then open this website. If the OneDrive service is running normally, try syncing your notes again in a few minutes. And those are the ways that you can try to resolve the problem. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.